Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Does it feel like no matter how hard you work, you just can't get ahead? Do you dream of having financial freedom? Imagine a life where you don't have to worry about money constantly. Many people think budgeting is restrictive. They see it as a set of rules that limit their spending and enjoyment. They believe it will limit their fun and prevent them from enjoying life to the fullest. But the truth is, budgeting is your ticket to freedom. It's not about saying no to everything you love. It's about taking control of your money and making it work for you. It's about knowing where every dollar goes. With a budget, you can achieve your financial goals, whether it's saving for a vacation, buying a home, or building an emergency fund. You can finally break free from the stress of living paycheck to paycheck. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with financial stability. Imagine this. You know exactly where your money is going each month. No more surprises or wondering where it all went. You have a plan for your expenses. Every bill is accounted for, and you know what you can spend on extras, and you even have money left over for the things you enjoy. Hobbies, dining out, and entertainment can all fit into your budget. That's the power of budgeting. It's not about deprivation, it's about empowerment and making informed decisions. It's about making conscious choices with your money. Every purchase is intentional and aligns with your goals. It's about aligning your spending with your values and priorities. When you budget, you create a roadmap to financial freedom. Hi, I'm Shilling Savvy, and I'm passionate about helping people find financial peace. For years, I've seen firsthand the struggles of living paycheck to paycheck. I've also witnessed the incredible transformation that happens when people embrace budgeting. It's not just about numbers, it's about taking control of your life. In this essay, I'll share practical tips and strategies to help you master budgeting. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your current budget, I'm here to guide you. Together, we'll debunk common misconceptions about budgeting. You'll learn how to create a budget that works for you, no matter your income level. Budgeting is not about restricting yourself, it's about giving yourself permission to spend. When you have a plan for your money, you can spend guilt-free on the things you love. You won't have that nagging feeling of, did I overspend? Because you'll know exactly where your money is going. It's shocking how many people are unaware of their financial situation. A recent study found that over 60% of Americans don't have a budget. This lack of awareness can lead to debt, stress, and missed opportunities. But you don't have to be part of that statistic. By taking control of your finances through budgeting, you can achieve peace of mind and financial security. One of the simplest and most effective budgeting methods is the 50-30-20 rule. This rule suggests dividing your after-tax income into 3 categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Needs include essential expenses like housing, groceries, transportation, and utilities. Wants cover discretionary spending like dining out, entertainment, hobbies, and shopping. The portion for savings and debt repayment is dedicated to building your financial security through savings, investments, and paying off debt. The beauty of the 50-30-20 rule is its flexibility. You can adjust the percentages slightly based on your individual circumstances and financial goals. For example, if you have a lot of debt, you might allocate more than 20% towards debt repayment. Section 5. Real-life budgeting. From $2,000 to $10,000 a month. Let's see how the 50-30-20 rule works in real life with 2 income scenarios. $1,000, rent, groceries, transportation, utilities. $600, dining out, entertainment, hobbies. $400, emergency fund, debt payments, investing. $5,000, mortgage, groceries, car payment, utilities. $3,000, travel, entertainment, shopping. $2,000, retirement savings, investments, debt payoff. Remember, these are just examples. Your actual budget will depend on your specific income, expenses, and financial goals. The key is to find a balance that works for you and allows you to achieve your financial aspirations. Section 6. Budgeting tools. Your allies in financial management. In today's fast-paced world, managing your finances can seem like a daunting task. However, with the right tools at your disposal, it becomes much more manageable. Technology has made budgeting easier than ever. Gone are the days of manually tracking every expense with pen and paper. Now, with just a few taps on your smartphone or clicks on your computer, you can have a clear picture of your financial health. There are numerous tools available to help you track your spending, create budgets, and reach your financial goals. These tools range from comprehensive software solutions to simple templates catering to different needs and preferences. Here are 3 popular options that have helped countless individuals take control of their finances. YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget, is a comprehensive budgeting software that utilizes the zero-based budgeting method, where every dollar is assigned a job. This method ensures that you are making the most out of every dollar you earn. It's known for its detailed tracking features and educational resources. YNAB offers a plethora of tutorials and guides to help you understand and optimize your budgeting process. Mint is a free budgeting app that automatically connects to your bank accounts and credit cards, making it easy to track your spending and monitor your net worth. With Mint, you can see all your financial information in one place. It also offers personalized financial insights and alerts. These insights can help you identify spending patterns and areas where you can save money, making it a powerful tool for financial management. If you prefer a simpler approach, numerous free budgeting templates are available online. These templates can be a great starting point for those who are new to budgeting or prefer a more hands-on approach. These templates, often in spreadsheet format, allow you to manually input your income and expenses and track your progress over time. They provide a clear and straightforward way to see where your money is going. The best budgeting tool is the one that you'll actually use consistently. It's important to find a tool that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle and meets your specific needs. Experiment with different options and find the one that best suits your needs and preferences. Remember, the goal is to make budgeting a regular part of your routine, so choose a tool that you find intuitive and easy to use. Section 7. Staying consistent. Tips for long-term budgeting success. Creating a budget is just the first step. It's like laying the foundation of a house. It's crucial, but it's only the beginning. The real challenge lies in sticking to it consistently. This is where many people struggle, especially when unexpected expenses arise or when life gets busy. Here are some tips to help you stay on track and make budgeting a part of your daily routine. Review your budget weekly or bi-weekly to ensure you're on track and make any necessary adjustments. This regular check-in helps you stay aware of your financial situation and catch any issues early. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account each month to make saving effortless. Automating your savings can help you avoid the temptation to spend that money elsewhere. Share your budgeting goals with a trusted friend or family member who can provide support and encouragement. Having someone to hold you accountable can make a big difference. Acknowledge and celebrate your budgeting successes, no matter how small. Celebrating these milestones can keep you motivated and remind you of the progress you're making. This will keep you motivated and reinforce positive financial habits. Keeping a journal of your financial journey can also help you see how far you've come. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process that evolves with your life and financial goals. There will be times when you slip up, but don't let that discourage you. Everyone makes mistakes. The key is to learn from them and move forward. Just get back on track and keep moving forward. Consistency is the key to long-term budgeting success, and every step you take brings you closer to your financial goals. Section 8. Embrace intentional spending. Start your budgeting journey today. Budgeting is not about deprivation, it's about empowerment. It's about making conscious choices with your money so you can live a life you love. By embracing intentional spending, you can achieve your financial goals and experience true financial freedom. Start your budgeting journey today. Take control of your money and start creating a brighter financial future for yourself. You deserve to live a life free from financial stress and full of possibilities. Drop a comment if you're committing to a budget this month. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends aiming for financial freedom.